Check out this lovely painting my parents have in their basement. Pretty Iowa, right? Today we're talking about conflict resolution, second to last lesson before our quiz. Sorry, just had a brain fart there. I think I said second to last yesterday too, now that I think about it, and that was wrong. So here we go. I thought this GIF was pretty funny. We got two dogs here fighting over the ball, and then this dog comes in and is like, well, let me try to fix it. Okay, so we all have conflict in our lives, but how are we going to handle it? Which dog are we going to be? So in this video, make sure you stay till the end because I am talking about the homework for today. Listen to the lecture. It tells you lots of things you'll need to know for quiz number 3, which is your last quiz. And then for homework, complete both sides of the assignment. It's a little bit detailed. It's probably one of our tougher assignments that we've had. So make sure you listen up here, okay? In our recording here, there's lots of good information in there. Make sure you know the difference in the 5 conflict management styles. So take notes as you go through that, and it will help you out. So for homework today, here's your worksheet, and you're going to turn it in right here. All right, and then there's those slides if you need them. So if you click on the worksheet, this is how you're going to get your points. Remember, download it in Notability as usual. You're going to read through that stuff at the beginning, and then this is where you're going to start. Okay, you're going to answer these questions based on how you would typically behave. And you're going to rate it a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 4. So for number 1, I talk about issues with the other people involved so as to find solutions that meet everyone's needs. Okay, do you rarely do that? Do you sometimes do that? Do you do that often, or do you always do that? Okay, I would say I sometimes talk with people involved so that I can find a solution that meets everyone's needs, but I definitely wouldn't say always. Okay, and then go down. I try to negotiate and adopt a give and take approach to problem situations. Okay, I would say I'm probably a 3 on that one. So you're going to rate those numbers over here. You're going to go all the way down, keep writing those numbers based on 1 through 4. And then you're going to correspond these statements. So you're going to add question 1, question 5, and question 7. So you're going to go up. Question 1, what did you write over here? Okay, question 5, what did you write over here? Question 7, what did you write over here? You're going to add those 3 numbers up and write it right here. Then you're going to add question 4, 9, and 12, 6, 10, and 15, and so on. Okay, whichever one has the highest total, that is your style that you normally use. Okay, so make sure you do the math correctly, maybe double check. Okay, it's just the same thing right here. Either write it here or write it here. That's my mistake for having it twice. Okay, and then you're going to go through and answer these questions. So according to this assessment, my preferred conflict management style is, well, which one was your highest total? You're going to write whether it was compromising, accommodating, competing, avoiding, or collaborating right here. I agree with this. I know I use this style of conflict management because, answer here. The conflict management style I'd like to work on is, let's say, competing. Why do you want to work on that? Okay, how will I practice this conflict management style? Write it right here. Okay, and then come up with a realistic solution based on each conflict style that is appropriate or necessary to use, and explain why it would be the best approach. Okay, so you're going to try to think, all right, as a collaborator, what is a realistic conflict, or this is the one I would want to use? Then for number 2, which one is a realistic conflict that I would want to avoid? 3, 4, and 5. Okay, you're trying to come up, be creative, get 5 different stories all in there, turn it in by midnight.